Hello friends, welcome in my class, and today in this class I will share a wonderful thing, and this is how to become fluent in English and how can you improve your spoken English. So while you're waiting for, let's start our class. Main thing is, if you want to become a fluent speaker, you need to think in English. So the main thing is thinking. Okay, so if something is beside you, always think in English, not in your native language. You don't need to translate anything. Like a laptop is beside me, so I just think it this is a laptop, not in your native language. So always think in English. You always need to think in English. 99% beginner do this. Just think in their native language, then they just translate the sentence into English. So it takes a lot of time, so we don't need to do this. It will be a great wall for future. So if you want to become a fluent speaker, just always think in English. You need to think in English. Okay, if you can think in English, so it is your fluency. So when that you will able to think in English, so you can understand that I am a fluent speaker. When you will be able to think in English, you don't need to translate any sentence. That day you can say that you are a fluent speaker. So friends, let's move to the next one, and the next one is learn like a child. It is learning like a child. Like when a child is learning his native language, at first he learn beside him. He don't need any type of grammar that time. Basically in our native language we learned it so easily, and English as a foreign language, it is so hard to learn because it is not our native language. So friends, so at first you need to make an area that is in English. Like always watch English movies. Okay, you don't need to watch English movies, just watch English cartoons, because in English movies they use many type of hard words, and that is so much hard. So at first you need to watch the English cartoons, because there are many type of short words, and you can learn many type of things from an English cartoon. Many person says that English cartoon, watching English cartoon is a bad thing. So don't take it in a bad thing. Just watch English cartoons, because this is so helpful. Like when someone is learning his native language, he don't need any kind of help. He just look around him and he learn like a child. So always learn like a child. Like you need to make an area that beside you that is in English. Always watch English cartoons, read English novels, then you need to listen English music, English song. Like you are not in your country, you are, like you can say, you are in abroad. Just make the area beside you in English. And I said before that always think in English. You just need to think the word beside you in English. So if you want to become a fluent speaker, so do this way, and I suggest you for do this. And I am pretty sure that if you follow my rule, you will be a fluent speaker one day. So friends, our last one is about pronunciation. So I think 90% people in Bangladesh and India, their voice is like robotic, and they use a robotic word, robotic sentence. And I think that is so much hard. They use a robotic sound. Our sound is like robotic. Like they learn so much and they just mispronouncing. But I think this is come from our environment, because the Americans, this is their native language, and they just try to reduct the word. But we can't reduct the word because we don't know how to reduct the word, because we always use the grammar. So I suggest that always go out of grammar and think out of grammar. Then you will be able to understand, you will be able to be fluent. So friends, if you can go out of grammar, just think out of grammar. You don't need to follow the grammar. It is spoken English, it is not a writing English. So I suggest always think in English, not follow the rule of grammar. You just think like an American, so then you will be able to link a word. Like American link two words between, they just reduce the word, they just make small the word. If you think out of grammar, so I think you can also link the word, you can also reduce the word. I will also try to share some kind of linked word that are reducted. So friends, so that was our video. So I think that is so much helpful for you guys, because this is the main thing, how to become a fluent speaker. Friends, so that was our video. I hope you like this, because this is so much helpful for you guys. So by the way, if you wanna join with me in YouTube, so go there. I have already shared the link of my YouTube channel. If you wanna learn English, smart English from me, and if you wanna learn something new, so just join me in YouTube. I will try to share some kind of important thing for just you guys. So please join with me in YouTube.